A convicted felon is behind bars tonight after a months-long investigation into reports of automatic gunfire.
It was last October, residents in the city of Mondovi reported hearing gunfire in a neighborhood, prompting safety concerns. Today, Patrick Fox is being held on a $25,000 cash bond, charged with 10 crimes, including 5 felony counts of being a felon in possession of a firearm, first-degree reckless endangerment, and possession of cocaine. The Buffalo County Sheriff says a search warrant found multiple illegal guns in Fox's home, including a machine gun and 2 sawed-off shotguns. Fox told police he had been using a significant amount of Xanax when he shot a fully automatic handgun multiple times in the North Creek Lane neighborhood.